The Mach slide and Mach clamps were constructed round about the stationary fence jimmy jig.
There is many variations of width and height.
The Mach clamps prevent kickback when cross-cutting and ripping.
Right angle.
The clamps will hold small material rock solid, easily adjusted
See how the clamp
the material
up against the front edge.
over the blade plexiglass, which is attached to the splitter.
All edges
Clamps adjusted to the material, any width, any height, without taking the clamps off the back support. Adjustments.
Look how the front edge is held securely with the front clamp.
Cut 45 degrees.
Driving knife, you have a small safety device to cut off the blade. This is also removable.
Clamps are easily removed. Attachable bolt, a screw handle at the back. To adjust the width, you slide the jimmy jig left to right. The on and off switch is ear E, and I use hands free to put the power on and off. The plexiglass is easily removed from the splitter and attached.
Clamps are easily adjusted by the bolt and the elongate. Driving knife
Ideal saw blade.
slides up and down.
Easily removed and attached for the next shoulder cut.
Clamps adjustment of the material.
This slide keeps your hands well clear of the cutting tool or blade. Easily changed to the cross-cut position to make the shoulders. All edges of the right angle and 45 degrees, the edges of the grit material to prevent sliding.
Cut very small items.
With this setup, we can cut very small material without your hands coming near the cutting tool or blade. Thank you for watching this video, and Slanzavar.